Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about navigation, like how to link workbooks together, how to link the worksheet together, so how to navigate our work. So first of all, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets and I have to create a home sheet. So first of all, I just come here and create this. I just drag it to the first. I name it as home. So after that I insert some shapes. I come here and insert shape. I just write here the name of my company. So after that I come to home and make center. Yes, so I can change the formatting from here, the color, and I choose this color and I make it a little bigger, and you can see it looks a little bit better. So the next thing that you can see, I have this 4 sheets, so I want to make a button for each of these. So I just come here to insert shape. I just create button. I should change the color and should be a little bit stylish. And here so now I copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V 4 times, 1, 2, 3 times. Yes, I have. So I just put it here. After that I just select this. I come to here, align. Yes, so now you can see I have aligned this and I just name this. You can see I have created this, and now for each sheet I have to create a home button. So I'm going to create for each of these a home button. I just come here to insert. Now you can see I have created the home button here, here, here and here. So now I want to link these sheets to the home page. So I just come here and click on this. I come to insert and here hyperlink. After that, now I can link it also to other workbooks, but here I choose this one, place in this document, and here you can see these are name managers. So I just minimize it. So it's the home, it's data cells. So the first one is the data cells. I just click this and okay. So the next one, you come to hyperlink. I select the average cells. Okay. The next one, hyperlink total cells. Okay. The last one, hyperlink report and okay. So now you can see when I come here, when I click this on data cell, so it brought me here. So now I want to apply here on this. I select this shape, come to hyperlink and I select home and okay. So now when I come here and click on this, it navigates me back to home. The same way we can like link it to other workbooks. For example, here I want to link this to other workbook. So I just select this, I come to hyperlink and I choose this one, and here I click the documentation, for example this one, and okay. So now when I come here and click on this, you can see the magic. So now I can also link this back to the navigation workbook. I just select this, I come to insert hyperlink, I choose the navigation, and okay. So when I click on this, it got me back here. So that's it about navigation. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.